How to fix Roku app not working. In order to fix this issue, first of all, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Roku. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're having the issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you will be able to see all the list of the application. Search for the application Roku and then move into it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Roku app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.